On this video, I'm going to show you guys how I replaced the chrome trim molding on my Cadillac Fleetwood. I am Stephen Wimberly, and this is Working with Wimberly. Alright, I have my replacement chrome spear for the front driver's side fender. The one that's on there now is broken. It's in pretty bad shape. I got this one from a local salvage yard. I cleaned up the back of it, wiped it down with alcohol, and have my two-sided tape on it. So now I'm just going to remove the old one and get this one on. So here's a look at the one that's on the car now. As you can see, we have a lot of delamination of the chrome. And then right here, it's actually broken, and I put this piece of chrome tape over the two. We can see it broken here. So I'm gonna get this off and get the replacement on. So I went ahead and marked the front and back with some tape just to make sure I got it back in the exact same place. And then I went around and cleaned off the dirt and scraped off as much of the old adhesive as I could just to get it prepped for the new piece to go on. All right, that's the replacement on. It looks a lot better. It's pretty much perfect. Just a few small wrinkles that you can barely see, but this is much nicer than the broken one that we just took off. So this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.